So you're worried about fixing your credit is bad, you got late payments, charge-off, student loans, collections, lots of collections. Listen, fixing your credit don't have to be expensive. And out of my whole collection, these two books have been the amazing thing that a lot of people have used to fix their credit. Guys, I've sold collectively over 20,000 copies of these books. I got physical books, but if you're watching this right now, you're gonna get digital books because the physical books right now, like these are the last ones left. All the physical books I printed out, gone. And this Forbidden Credit, this is on the website. You can check it out at DaraineDelevante.com. The Power of FICO, that's on the website too. And guess what? Even though both of these books combined cost around $250, guess what? Today, I'm giving you both books. You are getting both ebooks, both books for only $55. I know, it's crazy, right? Daraine, why are you doing this? Let me be transparent with you. I've gotten so many emails, so many DMs. Guys, there's almost 90,000 of you on Instagram and another 80,000 on YouTube. It's a lot of emails, it's a lot of DMs, and it's a lot in the comments. And most of the requests I heard is, Daraine, I don't have the money for your mentorship right now, but I still want to start fixing my credit. How can you do it? The power of FICO. FICO controls 95% of all lenders in America. What does that mean? This book's break down your FICO scores, the data points, what you need to get the items deleted from your credit, and how to start moving from a low FICO score to a high FICO score. Forbidden Credit, what does this do? This teaches you all the secrets. Guess what? The credit bureaus don't want you to know. And the secrets line here with the round one dispute, from cleaning up personal information, case laws that you can use over the phone, telephone script that you can use to get items deleted almost immediately, 24 to 48 hours, guys. It goes with the late payment. It goes with personal information. It goes with inquiries. That script is inside of here. Child support, not supposed to be on your credit. It's not a consumer credit transaction. It should not be on your credit. Inside of here with the dispute letter, the charge-off strategy. Guys, let me ask you a question. Before an account becomes a charge-off, it has to be delinquent. Before the item is delinquent, it must be late. In order for it to be late, they must prove the late payment exists. So what if the charge-off account on your credit does not have a valid proof of compliance with the late payment laws and the negative notice laws? Then the charge-off does not exist. All of the strategies here, the bankruptcy method, how to get the bankruptcy deleted in 4 days. Guys, Forbidden Credit is locked in with a lot of secrets. For those of you with collection, you need this guide. Why? I break down everything about collections, from how they're supposed to call, what they're supposed to send you, what they're not supposed to send you. What does the law say? You have the right to refuse to pay a debt. Guys, everything is inside of here. Getting these two books right now, if you're fixing your credit on a budget. If you need mentorship, then, I'll have the mentorship link below. But right now, if you got less than $60, you can start repairing, rebuilding, restructuring your credit today. We have the Power of FICO. We have the Forbidden Credit. Both are a whopping $250. But today, and only today, ladies and gentlemen, I can give this to you for only $55. The link will be in the description. Go get them. Go fix your credit. Go be great. Send me an email, support@DaraineDelevante.com. Let me know your feedback. Let me know how the book has helped you. It's helped over 20,000 people already. So I am positive it can start helping you. Have a great day. Click the link in the bio. Have a great night. Whenever time you're watching this, just have a great rest of that particular day. I cannot wait to read your emails. I cannot wait to read your comments. Power of FICO, Forbidden Credit. These two books, if you're fixing your credit on a budget, less than $60, this is the opportunity for you to start. Let's go.